Murunzi nakutanjera wasiba kurunji eshaha ni agacencuire shahibiri ziciro kandi amakuru agacencuire ntugakusyaho butunu okurga akashozi boma aho mu Rurembo urwambara gutakurundanirizo beri orukwijaga kusyaho ndi Elias Ritugusa bitintaga kuretira umbwijire reka mbanze nkoreke bikurebyeje bwebembire rero nabwanyuma ninja kuretera makurago umbwijire
Mitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekuroba Seagard Investment Limited. Kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga.
Refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Pros Form mattresses, be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Karim from
Rose Farm, a world of
Mugacencuire kireki Speaker w'ishenjero Anita Among yayegita hakwigurekereza ya Kitoma yasime nkwatanisa y'amadini eryo muri Isinjiro.
That is a unity and a love that we strive for as a country in Uganda.
President Museveni niwe yaba chairman wa East African Community. Abakazi nibeyongera gukora imirimo ebirene manywanke y'abashija twakuretera urukose byoma kuruga kabare.
Workshop yanje ekizibe kinyine mu challenges zinyine mu no kuri abashija baramanya ngo turabasa gukora ibintu nke.
Emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekuroba Seagard Investment Limited. Kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga.
Refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Pros Form mattresses, be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Karim from
Rose Farm, a world of
Kare ninyongera kutanjera omakuru gita gacencuire kandi urukuzaga kusyaho ndi Elias Ritugusa twatandikira district Isinjiro Speaker w'ishenjero ryihanga Anita Among yayegita aha mukoro ogwo kwigurekerezia ya Kitoma Center umuribirere umuri Isinjiro North ate nikwe kusima enkwatanisa eri hagati y'amadini mu Uganda.
Umukuru gwo kwigurekerezieje gwakurura Archbishop Lambert Reino mugisha kandi ogwo yagambire nkuyanja y'abantu abahika mukorogo ngo kwija kwekerezieje kutabareka nico kimwe bitko bahindure umubiri no moyo.
Nyasi ahiguru anasi n'urwatwe n'ingwe nyasi aho tumuruka kaje kaseka kabaho wakahi nyasi wazana aya mabaya mwe hati mujire ikisia amunzi eito hasara katali na mkama Kristo aishe aturalimwe
Banyuma Speaker Anita Among yayegita ha mukorogo kandi yijashagatirwe Minister w'ubuhinzi n'uburisa Bright Ramlama abanyishenjere kurwa mu biceka bitara bimwe na bimwe ba commissioner hamwe n'abandi binji. kurigiro mbyafayo byekelezieji omushaija wabire nayetwa Rukote utachiri magara genseji kandi wabire atari wenyikiriza y'Nyakaturuki akahereza abantu itaka ngo bombeke hekelezia etaretera speaker kusima nkwatanise hagati ya madina gabiri nangwa na madina gandi
And if I had when one of the speakers said that is an Anglican. And he gave the land for us to build the Catholic Church. That is the unity and the love that we strive for as a country in Uganda.
Ngenda kusima abantu bona abakwatanise kumbeka ekereziyeji kandi nani kwatanise yabire kujombeka cyo kureberaho umuntu wabanze kwayitaka eriyo ekereziye yabanza abari mu Kristo nano mukombeka ekereziyeji abantu b'amadini menshi bakwatanise hamwe bayombeka ekereziyeji twena twaba turi aha tuno kubana twatanisa atogoma muhora kari wacacho mu Uganda yatwereza itaka eritombekereho ekereziya yonka haronisha nora
Ngaitekelezieji nobwerabe hwire abakristo n'abebembezi bayo bashaba kubahebwa parish nuko kutandika kurundana sente zirayombeko buraro bw'abahereza bayo kandi aha speaker yabaha miliyoni 50 Minister Bright Ramrama yabaha miliyoni 10 hamwe n'abandi benshi.
I want to give my humble contribution of 50 million.
Omukoro gwarundana miliyoni ziri kurenga umurigana 30. Ruth Nwamanya
webare Ruth Nwamanya twagumizamu n'abakuru abakazi bakaba nabakira okukora bakaba nubarebwa nkabatakubasa kukora emirimo emyingi eyabire nemanywa nk'yabashija konka hati abakazi nibeyongera kukora emirimo ejo kandi omakuru gite kireki twakuretera omukazi orukose ebyoma okwebisaho omu district ya Kabale.
Dina Karunjo ryo mukazi rukore emirimo yo kosya no kugita ebyoma mu kigonjo mu town ya Kabale nashobora kugira ngo mushi atashemeye gukora wenka okuyayine kwatanisa no mukazi we baketungura.
Ejo shonga umushi atashemeye kurebera family ari wenka abo kuba twena turaturi party ya family abo ko mukazi yakora no mushije akakora mukakwatanisa hamwe family yanyu iragenda mu misho muno.
Karunjo rukose ebyoma kugite nyija madirisa nebindi bingi najyango akakora rukunde emirimo yo kubija no bingi babemba jangu ne yabashija
akura ndakunda kore emirimo y'abashija mukura kwanje nkakura ndakunda kubija nze akara ry'omombe arabija ry'omombe ki siniyafo naje nyinga nazana kawa professional nashoma welding and fabrication ngine mu certificate namara natandika yanje workshop natandika gukora workshop yanje ekizibe kinyine mu challenges ezinyine no kuri abashije baramanya ngo ito turabasa gukora ibintu nke abo kabura mango gumurimo no gwabashije konka nitwa abakazi twine mu amani turokora ti no murimo gubaragira ngo no gwabashije ningogo no gwabakazi.
Yasima government yarwanyisirize riko bemerwa President Museveni abo kurwanira ubwabe bw'abakazi arukore ko kuba rukora n'abashija obwatine kiruko kubateganisa yashobora no bari gukora emirimo egi nibateganisibwa ba customers obwo bari kubajoga ngo tubari kuza kubasa kubakora ekibari kwenda
abashije ati bakirizamo ngwitwa abakazi turaza gukora nko ndakora welding barija babuza ngo urakora hanuye nabajya ngo ninye ndahakora bagira ngo ngo tugende umushisha bareke baze kwatagana n'abakozi ngo nka muhego sho babohereze kuri nyenda baza ko batiganaga
niko kuweza customer ayenda ko kutereza kaka side mirror kamujyango wazanda katereza akande akashekera mazimo mukazi tarabasa kutereza hazogenda akatereza akatara line ngedi kari haraini
ondijo mukazi nikemicha patience na workan kapichikurwa mu district ya Kabare kana unashobora mu rumogwe
we nda kanika nabambwe nakapichiko kanika ndakakanika kandi bumwe yantaka bwene nyine munaza spare muzaguze mu bwa spare bateratere basoye
Patience nashaba government okongera okutasenta mbibina by'abakazi kugira ngo kigumize mu nikibayambo kwetungura
government kabere ndagishaba reka abakazi ga business bitu turakora ningo buri mali mu bwitu nike base kujaki kugira ngo yatugirira ebase kutamuneke tukorere nk'akabina k'abakazi etandike twakasete neke ushange kwatandiko business zitu k'abakazi
nashobora ko mu rumogwe yo gukanika gumuyambere hamwe nekaye
ndabona buri kimwe cyona no turabona buri kimwe cyona no mushinja n'abakanikire ubundi n'abakanikire twakarita kasete cyakaterana hamwe urabona izo tujuta kwaziboneza kasabundi kwazibona ezare kwazibona ngene namwe nabari kutireba ha TV West mu basekto buri mo turashangwa kigonji ha Voice of Kigezi aho mpa umugoda nomwe mu basekutanga mu toburi
okujaguze kiro cy'abakazo munsi yona nikibabura umwake biro munano kwezi kwa kashatu kando bwati Uganda neza kukijaguza kitebe kikuru cya Kororo no mutogwa herezo tunje ningashi give to gain amakuru agasha kwa Nelson ahimbisibwe
webare Nelson ahimbisubwe ekiro cy'abakazi ncija kujaguzubwa izobe rya Nyincakare izobe rya Sande ahachai Kororo omara Kampala itwe abakazi bona nitubendeza ekiro kirungi ombwiro ubu obw'abasiramu bari kugendo mission no kusibo kwezi kwa Ramadan nibihanangirizibwa okwetantara ebikorwe byakubasa kubasya omushiriki kandi bahendere bataganyirwa mu kusiba kwabo nangwa na no kusadaka obutumwa ubu buhirweyo Sheikh Adam Warusimbi ubwabiraye bembire mu kusara Juma ahamuzigito gwa Kishuro umuri Isinjiro
Sheikh Adam Warusimbi obo aryamuzite gwa Kishuro district Nisinjiro ayahanangirize abasiramu konja kukimanyango obunobwire bo mutano omudini y'ikisiramu betantare shiriki omuringo rwogumwe abona baze kwikoma mwanya ogu baze kuyokora mu murimo barundana mu sente zigenderere okunduza omuzigiti ogu ogwa kugira ngo kombekwa omyaka yankaga
ekisoro nga tuze ku nsonga ey'okuddaabula omuzigiti ogwazimbibwa mu nkaaga ogukaddiye nekugwawo ekitulese wano kuzimba muzigiti guno okitiibwa Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala yatukubiriza nnyo nti omuntu twalizimbye emizigiti ate emizigiti yatuzimba gije Allah
kishuro bateese okugaziya kwongera okugaziya ku masikiri yaabwe nga baagala okulayira nti baagala okufuna embeera okuva eri Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala era ekyo bakiteeseteese ne bateekateeka olunaku olwaleero nga mukaaga olunaku olw'ennyuma bakunze baera kukunga
ehuru eji niyetenga milioni nkaga izo bari anyumwe bazyo baze kurundana milioni 4 n'emitwaro 85
abantu bayisingiro n'abantu bahereye isingiro turi ya murimo gw'amani gwo kugaruzaho ninga gwo kugaruza musya wa Churo umuziki wo gukomeka imyaka ya kare kumazire imyaka nka 80 onko bwa hatiguriyo no guhungabizwa no kongeraho mu buhango
maze imyaka nkaga bazadde bafe baguzimba kumaze imyaka nkaga butwa tudenga fa abana nitulabanga bamuzeyi balina kibareka bakoze atefe kitagenda kuleka oba kitaleseewo ntusalawo ntugamba naffe katukyuse omuzigiti guno inshallah tugugaziye ate tuguzimbe nga gwakalina
nebaza Allah wekitiibwa asobodde okubeera nga atuleeta omukolo nga gwakuzimba amasiri ya Allah ekitiibwa kunga abantu mwenna abeisingiro mwenna tulabike nti omukolo guno tukujjumbira era nga bwe tukujjumbidde tuweeyo ssente tukole omulimu guno.
Gashagwa Nagudi Fatuma abwa TV West.
Webare Nagudi Fatima umuri district ya Ibanda chairman Happy Herbert Mayanja yayureka okwesima habwa program ya government eriyo neza kutandika muri Ibanda ya Usmaid erikuza kuboneze tawuni hamwe na nebyanga okugamba ebi yaba ariyo mujenyi mukuru aha mukoro ogwabisheshe sako
twakuratira imitendero
Ibanda ne mwachanga eturkusaganywa program ya government ya Usmid kan mukuru w'entebe ya katano na agenda arkugambera program eje izoberi yabaryo mujenyi mukuru archiko rwabona urwabisheshe sako ahi yashobora a program eje
nasi kutungo muchagwa Usmid when Usmid is to tugamba government ekatwicherza planning indicative figures sohuire mwene sente bazindi cyangwa tuyanguza zizere so maza kuzitweza mu next financial year nekibani cyamanyisa ngo esente zize nsa kwantu kore ngutu konka tuzona
Mayanja nabo yashobora okatarho okushumbusha kona program eje
hata government neza kwani sirika sente mukore ngutu ibi kutora akora ibeza mugarike basindikeze no makokunda mukore ibi omakokunda mukore ibi omakokunda mukorisha kurikira plan ya government ko rabizireta erabi so takale bakora gutokorwa kigarama otkanu babishise twagira bata
bisheshe sako aho Mayanja abaryo mujenyi mukuru ururwabaryo rukiko rw'umurundo rw'abireneber kandi chairman wa board yayureka sako okwebeire nekora
mwaka kwire basize gukora strategic development plan y'imyaka 5 ubwe yabiriho ekwayo kandi ahanyenda kwebaza munonga stakeholders bona bayisorwe gaterana hamwe mitwe kureba ngo ikikakorwa cyakamuhebo
that's increasing membership obawire tukatekaho chamuka na savings mukana mukahura ready aha abantu bakagukana kantu aka kandi katuletera kumanywa munonga no kurengaho nanombicheke byarenga umuri Ibanda
umwaka gwabwire ogw'enkumibirabinetano tukatubarire entasiya ya miliyoni rushanju 94 emitwaro 36 rushanju 96 kugwagire kwendera twashanga twine entasiya ya miliyoni 824 emitwaro 51,592
sako yabisheshe ekatandikwa government okwera abantu abebicekeco n'abacherere kandi obwahati eina mataja garimo rwenkobwa rya kahungu hamwe na kashangura
bati no mushaka tukora nawe ngo mu government oku abajati government inese ni konga tujiga tukora chi ojiga raje bandara wetakagwa nakawayo kamarao ni gono nyitaka no bawali umurumo toko ori amurumo takali umurumo
bamemba bahinguze mbarira yabashomerwa okutandika kora Gashakwa Timothy Mushabo muri Ibanda
webare Timothy Mushabe omu district ya Ibanda muri biwito wa TV West Murunji ni kusima aho rukutureberaho na kandi webare na nokutorana kureba TV West tuliyo makuru agacencwire konka naza kubanza mpomureho kace ninjagaruka n'amakuru agandi
Movit Relaxer Cream brought to you by Africa's leading hair and skin experts. I get to wear my hair like I live my life.
arukurataho President Museveni we yaba chairman wa East African Community.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumuchidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumna na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Dio ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushecherera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka. Nembogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Tumu Medical Institute erashango muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweshu District barakira beje bojona beshiki okwija kushoma certificate yo bonus nursing certificate yo buzalisa midwifery diploma yo bonus extension diploma yo buzalisa extension itele chole handiswe mu bwijire omu ministry yo bwegesi nemizan kangire na center number okuruga mu Unimap itendekero ginentani sabwo buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batende kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara intambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kuriya biri fresh kuruga mu famu zitendekero abeje bona baratungo buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwa beje kushoma kurunji abeje barashoma certificate barashasha sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma sirinje miliyoni 1.40 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju ni 5 mushanju ni 3 10 excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Best friend wa fe MTN yo ya dala gamba ti best friend MTN yo ya dala nyo
tutandikide Kampala ne tugenda genda mu gwanga lyonna nga tugaba school fees wa mwaka mulamba
twebaza omukama okuba nti nno atuwadde omukisa guno ate ne MTN okuba nti esasulidde omwana fees ez'omwaka omulamba ebe tutikudde omugugu era kuba sente zo ziba nyingi nnyo
sasula school fees ng'okozesa momo onyiga star emu mukaaga 5 star 80 hash ng'osasula school fees w'omwana wo essomero nga liwangula school van nawe bw'oba kwegamba nga embeera ekukuttemu ng'ofuna school fees loan weewaawo
ebiro bikuru ebi shebebona atano n'itano
Reka nkwanjurira Ibanda Secondary School n'ishomero ry'abojo erukushangwa Kagongo Division Ibanda Municipality rirya hamusingwe Kerezia kandi ryebemberwa abanyadini aba Brothers of Christian Instruction nitwebembezo kutina ruhanga okubaje kwa beji ebyo bwegese ni class ya higuru kandi ombye mzano tino rukutwingana nitsima abazire abeji abegesa nabebembezi bishomereri abokora kurunje bigezo ebyihanga buri mwaka okwika harengo rwihanga ombye mzano nka football, volleyball, chess na basketball kandi bakaikana harengo rwa East Africa ombya debate nitsima old boys ahabo kukunda no kuhajirisho mero bakatwombekere cyayi cyo murembe kandi ntubakira habo byemzano yabo eri kuza kuhendera ishomere birabiro na kimwe kwa kasha 2026 turiyo ntutebekana kuja kuze myaka nkaga kwihisho merere ritandika ronchi nebiri 12
omukwa mukaga 2026
ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwana mazimo rya hano bari bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakiri wansuko mu motoka riyo nenyusi yo gwija kunywa
mucyara unam utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufundurira kahurire
Wakamwana tera chairman wembaga akongeza bina ko kishahemu ito twe tuyon tuno diplomat akatuka kanusira hanga wanje
ukanyiha ambi muchara n'abagine diplomat ebindi byayenda bireje bigende n'abagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha entangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS.
In this sacred month of Ramadan, we reflect, we pray, we give, and we rest. As you observe Suhoor and stand in Tarawih, may your nights be filled with Sakina, your du'as be accepted, and your heart overflow with shukr. Let resting on rose foam mattresses be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Kareem from
Rose Farm, a world of beautiful dreams.
kuruka yoko mbutumwa bw'abashuzi twagumizamo na nagacencuire ageshwe keci Kinyaza People's Sacco yakora urukiko rwayo urwo murundo rwa kashatu okwihane tandika bamemba basima abatandikire sakweji ahabwo kubahwera umukubikana no koresa kurundi sente okutungura amakagabo.
Urukiko rwa buri mwaka urwo murundo rwa kashatu rwabambuga zekerezia ya Kinyazo muri Nyakayojo Omurimbara City South.
Mustaka sako yiteji kurugakare abantu koshanga batambara distance nyingi kurugambo kaza mwizi okazazanya Nyakayojo icyo kutwara ko nyingi konka ubwirobo yatandika Kinyazo People's Sacco abantu becanga n'abateherereza bagerizaho kuhinduka namuno ombyo kubika sente zabo no kutungobereza bwa hihi
ubwa hati Kinyaza neranganwa neza mikutu neza za TV tuzana ha TV West ninzima munonga abantu mwena abo kubasa kwejumbera omukintu echo ngaruka ishaba abantu kubasa kugura imigabo umusako yitu
abari kwebembera sako ya Kinyaza bayoreke babasekora kandi nebyo kuzakorwa kutwara imirimo ya sako misho
katekaho okwambya office kandi kimwashabire kandi ubwo mu mukamukwasize board na management kandi kintecho kikakorwa buzima
okusevinga kwitu ninga shi saving culture yitu ekirinje munonga members ntubashaba kugira ngo mwongere a savings
abebembezi bashaba bamembo kwe haremze yo kunyaga hamwe nebyo biru kugarza imirimo ya sakwe nyima
abo aba fixingire 100 millions izinabura mubatera umungano mwene washanga abantu ba fixingire baresire sente mamba abaresire sente izirayambe icyaro kitu
so twisire bamemba kubagambara ekitukozere mwaka 2005 nashitweka teka gukora 2006 namuna no kongera kwiga kushomesubwa kwa ba members nabona babasa kuje mu rukiko
omugandi makuru abakazo mu district ya Kyegegwa bashabirwa kongera kubikira nyensya ebi bigambirwa mukuru wentebe ya katano torinwe obwabiri arya mukorwa ebosa kugo kutongoza obuhereza bwa loan ya grow mu district ya Kyegegwa
bagukulonkinga grow mu district yitu ya Kyegegwa
nasimu nahura program manager nagamba ngo naija ego neija kuyambaho kurora nesomesa umukazi wa buri kintu kandi isabe nsomere mu kijumbire habo kuba ekyo rwega nikihindura ubumezi bwawe n'ubumezi bw'abakazi abayingi
kandi koko wakireba nsente z'amagoba make nanishaba first come first serve uratutange aratange kwija ngo turabanze gukora gwe tukabire kirungi na twarugaha yutangikire kuza branch abo kuburyo nubara ekenero 30 ko wabikire mitwarenga hi imitwaro 30 so okubika nubika oyine kigendererwa purpose kandi nubiko ine target
Okurgira Mugume Joseph CEO wa Ebosako sente za grown zirwo mu banka yensiyona ekwatanise na government ya Uganda abo kutungura bakazi na mnonge mpunji kanda amagoba mache
ekyo njitansabantu Rwanda izwa kweta resources so ngena nabo batungira resources ezo babeho babaya binomsha tunga sendezi ngo bashobora so nimba rero muranga na munonga aba bujuri kuri amanjira mu batunga sendezi
ontesera abunari bayimsya mu mkono ndikubasha bamuni mount joining saving na ebo mukore nayo debe bunji byo bizire nkizina rito kurugamba ngo bunji byo mututu. So let us work together.
Kantu wari umushogu okuwakira ebo mu district ya Kyegegwa yabasa kutuletera amakura kandi ekatuletera okushoma n'okushomesebwa kureba ngu abantu baza kubana benefitinga omusente eza grow.
Ndi Anita Tukunda na Evans Taremwa.
Mwebare abanyamakuru bitu twagumiza mu namakuru President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni erizuba yayegaranjuro mu ntebe nka chairman wo mukago ogwa East African Community Summit. President Museveni yaza omubijere bya President William Ruto gunu President w'ihange rya Kenya kandi ogu no watwire ar chairman.
President Museveni yahebwa chairman w'entebeji bwanyuma y'urukiko rw'abembezi b'amahanga ga East Africa orwahenderera izoba Arusha International Conference Center umuyanga rya Tanzania. Umurikiko nworumwe Ambassador Stephen Patrick Mbundi wa United Republic of Tanzania yatoranwa ko muhandiki mukuru wa East African Community. Omugambo yo President Museveni yasima bebembeza aba okumutekamwo wesije kuba chairman w'entebe ya East African Community kandi yabasiya henda musyo kuruga ombanya Uganda. President Museveni nagira ngo kwegitira hamwe kwa mahanga ga East Africa nugo musinje gwonka ogurayamba amahanga ga kutunguka. Museveni hona yagira ngo encourage neza no kuyamba amahanga ga okanyiso butare bw'ebintu byabo aruko cyo kureberaho cy'amahanga nka China, India hamwe na South Korea nuko kushaba eminyeto okurangiza hare bakaganyirwa omukwegitoku. Our TV West Ndabdu Karim Sengendo.
Webare Sengendo Abdukarim abashomesa abitendekere ya Kampala International University KIU witaji Erium District ya Bushenyi ningashi Western Campus babangwirwe ahanshomesensya ya Minister webyo bwegesa hereze kutaho omuzaseniya yerikuza kutandika omuza University omwaka ogurukwije.
Abashomesa bitendekero rya KIU Western Campus omu district ya Bushenyi babangwirwe mu nshomesensya eyareserwe ministry ebyo bwegese omuzaseniya eya new curriculum erikuza kutandika no muza university.
Education created minimum standards that universities should follow, and one of the main things, the goal is to change, review the undergraduate programs such that they become competence-based.
We can have kits, we have grammar, so that these learners get to know how do we carry on interviews.
Abatendekerwe borekero kubetekatekere kwakira beja barukorwa museniya okuzo muza university naho kutandikira omukubashomesa
yaba nashoma medicine kugira ngo medicine umuntu doctor abaryaha konkara kuragura umuntu wa Kenya ningo wakasese aze hariya hari akose technology na some new innovations twiza ko tureba abase kuba nashomesa naragura umuntu kuriya ningo yemereraho ushomese abantu batabyo kugira ngo biriye byira abantu twiza bakaza ko mu ciporo bakatandaka ukabagambira wabagambira bakashobora bakagenda
abana bashimuka bamanya ngo tushirwe mushomese yiri konkate kikuza kubacurunje no kugira ngo eshomese y'ibabendo bashomesamo kare ndrum erevo niyo barashange turumwe tutandukana n'umwaka w'ubukunji
competences these are basically what a student will be able to attain, who is able to do, apart from having the skill. But what can this student do? So that what he can do is the competence. And that is what the new curriculum is all about.
Enshomesenski yaharurengo rwaza university na yirgo mu competence based education omuzaseniya aho yayeserwe new curriculum kandi hatabagitendekirwe bashaberwe okugitandikana no mu kwezi kwa munana oko mwaka ogu omugandi ishomero rya Bukanga secondary school kurgo mu district y'Isingiro rutungire tanki ibiri zamizi kubahweraho kutangira zamizi genjura ago barkwije kuba mbakozesa ombwire bwo mushana okutunga za tankezi kirugirira hari chairman wa NRM omushweke cy'Isingiro obuyataya yahishomereri enshomenche hwire bakamugambira bemwahabizibu ebine ebirumwibura ryamizi atyo nawe nuko kubatwekera za tanki ibiri zamizi
umutwaro ibiri kandi zatwebwa rufite na retired musabe Moses Nsimo muri ngo mutano kure yatendereza akibura ryamizi agaruka kwa tukinye muri mugisho kabana probire kingi biramagara mabwa kuko isamizi mabi nini twabafata ko buryo turebe ngo twazitaho wazerinde kabamizi
ngo kumukimanya ngo Bukanga nangwa ni Isingiro yona necweke kitari mu mizi garukumara Bukanga secondary school twinishomere kurenza y'abana rushanju konka twine mizi garukumara so erizoba yatuzindukira yaturetera tanka ibiri zamizi za plastika
abeje nabo basimira obhwezi obahirwe
anyoe ni sima munonga afande mushabe Moses abo kinte cyatkorra itenka bishintu bantu etenga mizi munonga era mwere izoba yatkorra yaturetera tanksi
akuba tubenteganisibwa munonga ha kintu cyamizi tubenu tutambara mitazi nkarunana kurga ishomero kuza kwakira mizi kandi cyo tukikora twarwo mu classes kibe ni kiretero umwe twako mushahaza sapa abana batakahirize personal administration y'ibyo kunabana no kwetereza
gasha kwa Ben Muhozi
webare Ben Muhozi twaza garuka tumure ukace ningaruka namakura gande
katochi no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi okurugerizo babantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nakwa mutima byaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munyweco katochi no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi yerya mutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
noyendebero byanyense birungi ahabo umwana wawe Kinon High School ero kushangwa hari guto rwambara kabare nico kigarukwa mu cyawe bino bwegeso bumutindo bine ona A level omashomaga arts na sciences enshomesa yabo netebana na curriculum mwensya programs zabo nizitebekanisa beji okwika kurunje buzo no kurengaho bakaba basinguzi ombyamagara agabwa nyuma ye class Kinon High School bine ibiciro ry'ibitabo library ejiro bwenje obwo kubuture byo kucondoza abeji okoshomera habwa bonka laboratory eri kwera abeji okanga hange bisya nebyoga abashomesa batendekirweje kandi behireyo ahabo businguzi bwa beji
okwandika beji nikugenda omisho kino high school neshangwa Rwampara ahari gutonyigendwa orwambara rakabare hihi na Rwampara district headquarters esimu notu mushajoti 2 kinana nemwe kinda nishatu 13.
Mommy,
yes,
at school abana babane everyone crunching
nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
ndabye mbaga ya daddy
anti ku highway nga mvuga sisumagire ekyo shua
kati nange bampakingire saa
honey mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi mingi. Amashomo gagona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukungiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugenda omisho. Tera enamba z'esimu 0772 969 95051.
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's kiss. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Ishomero ry'ebembira gandi gona omu 2026 ni St Karemba Secondary School Villa Maria nirishomesa abojo n'abishiki kandi bine day na boarding. Abashomesa batendekireje ebyo kurya no buraro bw'abeji bibonire mnonga. Ishomero ryo mu mwanya gweherire ekiri kubasabeji okukora kurunje mu bigezo byabo. Ishomereri ryine na washing machine ekiri kumanyisa ngo abeji tebari kuteganisibwa koza emyenda. Abana nibegesibwa kutina ruhanga kandi bachebembiro mu kutwara midari yo kushomora ururimi rw'Urujamani. St Karemba Secondary School nirishangwa Villa Maria omu district ya Karungu. Kwenda kumanya biri kukiraho tera note mushanju note 5 nkaga na 8 nkaga ni 5 kinana na mukaga note mushanju note 4 5 ni 5 kinana na 9 24.
Yantore School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jibwena abahiriza senior kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarusa na lab technology. Omwejero kwenda umwanya oshemere kubushyikiro kubara n'orujungu hamwe n'ebya science. Iwe kwenda kushoma diploma oshemere kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka 2 mu field. Buri mweje na hawo mugisha gwo kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera mugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography, lab technologies, business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri. Basaries zichiruko mugiro bwira. Ishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kuma ibiri kukiraho tera no tumushanju 8 mukaga nshanju ni 3 nshanju ni 5 ashatu na 4.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nivagaruka ya ishomero kandi ibintu bikiri kubi aho bashota kutwara icweka cha fiza ishomero rya junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abwa chita kushashura ntukozisa momo no tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konkana bwono basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero gacejumbira muri basa kwangura school van
namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gwona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na van yishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaroni ya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
Mwami waza kurgaho yejekeho hona mazima nyewe nkabanda reba umusoro gwanje kugurukusha agara hanga taro kintatire mu musuru gw'ebichorogo buri kirisa cyona nkitiremu murana kabumwe abazenyo nabo mukasheshe konka reba musuru gwa murano rebo gwanje nkakugambira ngo mukakapere nandoga konka wayanga hatu wachireba
hata bicho niyo byo bikuteze nduru no yabantamira mo yabawe bichori mukakapere mushanje nakosije musa cha crop champion taro muhinjo migandom arukweza atakosije musa cha crop champion umuhinji wena ngosije musa cha crop champion abashubuza mucanje a Joseph Farm Supplies a Kings Plaza omishoga Coppers Complex eduka namba G1 Jimset ni shango maduka gona omwihanga crop champion the farmer's best choice.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Some things don't arrive. They've always been.
You see, every day that I wake up, I am more than what you see.
Not for a day, for all of time.
We don't merely gaze outward, we birth new worlds.
Until quietly, something shifts.
We are the ones we've been waiting for.
Seeing.
Find your tribe.
Recognizing.
Speak each other's name in praise.
Becoming.
Every time I made a leap of faith, I jumped afraid.
Moving from someday to now. Women are not honored in time. They are woven through it. Shaping every story, every voice, every breath.
The privilege of a lifetime is being who you are.
We are because she is. And because tomorrow they will be.
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and multi-flavor, so rich and full of memories. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Try it, savor it, feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest Malt Apple and Pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
kuruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi omakuru gita gacencuire ageshweke cha muheru omuramuzi wa kote jorwamo owafire Honorable Justice Kenneth Kakuru yasimwa habwe birunje byakozire omucayice by'amateko mu ihanga omukiganiro cha buri mwaka ecyo kumanywa nka Honorable Justice Kakuru Memorial Lecture. Omu nehetabamo abaramuzi ba Prida abeje abakushomesa amateka hamwe na nabandi abarukukwatwaho kandi ekiganiro ecy'umurundogu cyaba ahitendekero Area Bishop Stewart University aho mu Rurembo rwa Mbara.
Omuramuzi wa kote jorwamo wafire Honorable Justice Kenneth Kakuru yasimwa habwe birunje byakozere omucayice by'amateko mu ihanga omukiganiro cya buri mwaka cyo kumanywa nka Honorable Justice Kakuru Memorial Lecture.
He was deeply religious and a family man. Amid all his professional accomplishments and accolades, his family remained his strongest anchor. He found joy in being with his family, supporting them, instilling in them the values of education and faith.
It gives us an opportunity to show how consistently he upheld constitutional principles and judicial integrity. He emphasized strict interpretation of the Constitution and protection of judicial roles and mandates.
Should I say yes, we are told as believers in Christ that we must evangelize.
we must bring others to the saving knowledge of Jesus Christ. So we continuously tell the story of Jesus Christ. So those who do not know him will also come to know him, become born again.
Ekiganiro eki kikatandikwaho abarukura ebitongore byatandikire birukurwanirira ebyobuhangwa hamwe n'obugabe bw'abantu bakwatanise n'amatendekero agarukutendekebera giro mu ihanga.
But also this memorial lecture is an indication that he's reading. His legacy is that he did something nice that is worth talking about. And whether you like him or don't like him, the truth is that he did something that you can't ignore. I did environmental law as one of the papers, I think in my master's. And there is no way you could say you're doing anything to do with environmental law and you're not reading books prepared by Justice Kakulu, where actually decisions where it was a person who litigated.
Akabana yebembeza amateka atari kutina kuko akaba ari umuntu uri kubasa kwa approachinga waba uri hanshongeshire kandi ikindi cyo ngo nujya byebeza umunshongeze kwatene n'ibyamaka akajya ateze mubanze muzigarureyo murondo kubona agarukane abo kubatino rasingo ndijo.
Omugenzi Justice Kakura kazarwa umwaka gwa 1958 yija yafaine emyaka 65 y'obukuru umwaka gwa 2023 kandi ogahu yaferire akaba ari omuramuzi wa kote jurwamo omurimo gwatandikira umwaka gwa 2013 ahabwa TV West nde era akiza
webade El Achiza umureberezi wa Ankore Fred Sheldon Mwesugwa na shaba abakuru b'amashomero okuhindura akushomesa batandike kushomesa ibintu ebirahwera beji nyensya na munonga ebikwatirine na namagara genseji ebyabugamba arukurambura emiromero kukorwa ishomero eryambara municipal school aho mu Rembo orwambara.
Omwanya ogwo omurebezi wa Ankore wa katano Associate Professor Fred Sheldon Mwesigwa yasima ishomero lyambara municipal school abombaro gw'abana obine n'umuringo gwariyo nabakwatamo ebyo bwegisi
in good ranges, so you don't concentrate only on the super.
Ahantu yahaburaga n'amashomero okonja kubegeraho.
People in towns have been saying, what is happening? Why are people in the villages passing? Why are people in Mbara City passing better than those in Kampala? Can that happen? Yes.
Mukuru w'ishomero ryambara municipal school yanje kushobora abwaci ebyona bali no bikora.
Buri mwaka nitwija hatushabarahanga ngo atugirire mbabazi. Mwenu yaheza kuzitugirira ito tushemiye kwisha tukamusima. Mwe nico cyatureta.
Yaje no kushobora amubarwa beje ubwo bonje kutunga omwishomero ryambara municipal school ishomero ya government kandi rya musinjigwe kanisa ya Uganda.
Hariho enrollment habwambarira municipal school totaling to 4,016 children. Nyenda mu kiterero mu ngaro
okushaba okujenderera okusima mukamarahanga abwebyone barabiremo na munonge byezo ya abo mwaka 2025 gwawa nokusima abona baze koraje omuri abeje abashomesa nabazire. Twazo mu district ya Rwampara, chairman wa district ya Rwampara Richard Owumugasho yashaba abebemezi b'amadini na government batikiriza abashomesa okwizo mu district age na munonga abo abakirimo obushomankuzi.
Nindebe umuti kubaga ndiri muri ndebe amashomero wapara twatukuri.
What I have found on the ground kishangira kwenyuma no kugira ngo ubwiro bwinshi ahamwe na hamwe ikikuzushira
ebine bindi yabigambira abakuru b'amashomero arengorwa primary na senior abwa Rwampara agari amusinji gwikanisa ya Uganda omburebelezi bwa Ankore
kinchukushaza na munonga omuzire kwesente rero omwana ahamerwa P7 ashomere na nasari bakajya ngo mwana gwiri hata omushomese sente nabarire zaki
ngo abahereza ahande ngo zona sabadikoni omurisa omuburizi ahande ngo ezo zona twine hamatendekero gitu no kugira nubo bakarebe bo kubanza ningashe nubashemerire kuba nibashwijuma
kurabo twadurishubuzimazibwa bwabo ngabazire contributing sente abukushuma kw'abana babo aba management okugere chiko
olchiko olu lwakorwa akanisa ya St. Luke Chinone omulchinone Town Council abwa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon na Sengendo Abdul Karim
mwebare abanyamakuru bitu babashaho mu district ya Kisoro bashabirwe okwega gukoresa za karamajezensia nk'umuringo gumwe ogwo kwetereza umubuhereza bw'ibyamagara ebina n'ibindi bigambirwe Dr. Bosco Muhanji orukure by'amagara habwa kanya bwanya ubwabire nabugana habashaho okorekana reporter juro ministry y'ibyamagara erukoreka nkuko bakoze mu by'amagara ahabwa umwaka ogw'2025.
Dr. Bosco Muhanji orukure by'amagara mu district ya Kisoro nagira ngo bwa hati Town Council nizo zine za computer ezibara kukoresa okohereza ubutumwa ahandwara zitari zimwe na zimwe mu district age okuzo ministry.
We have computers, we are getting digitalized, and please update your computer knowledge. They are in charges because we have no choice. These things are coming for us, we shall go nowhere. Because like Busanza, you know now, it is airfare system, so hospital partially, things are getting out of paper and people get challenges with them.
Abashabire kohereza data bukirkare okumanye barukora ahamirmo yabo kandi yajumirre cyabashaho bamwe abarukuza kushoma batamanyisa abo bushoborozi.
Make sure you provide data at the time. Because the data that will save you tomorrow when you are making analysis. Even when you are talking about the performance, to do that, have registered these numbers of deliveries and working on them and all that you normally do.
Of concern is alcohol misuse and abuse by staff. And some of them we have mentally broken down.
Dr. Muhanji na yongera agira ngo ba in charge binji ne bakira kosha hamirimo yabo kituma abakozi nabo baremwa kuza gukora imirimo yabo.
Also need your input in terms of availing us the staff that are there. Not after a quarter, not after 6 months. Our rules say you're supposed to provide that information on a monthly basis. You're supposed to give us that update on a monthly basis. And as you are providing that information, put your footnote on those ones who are not there if you are hearing directly about someone.
Community health extension workers who are supposed to be in our health center 3s, they are finishing their practical placement. When they are done, the ministry will come for passing them out. There should be a good bridge between us and our community.
John Nyakahoma yashaba bashaho ngo bayenda kuza kongera hamishomo yabo bagume bamanyisa abo bushoborozi.
You already come across some of them. There are some people who are struggling. They don't know their faith because they went and studied and even got better qualifications. They are doctors, but coming sorry, being absorbed is still a challenge.
This also contributes to poor performance because once you go without permission, you are always in hiding.
Kisoro eshohwire ryo mwanya gwiganashe tuna mukaga kandi muri Kigezi eshohwire eryo mwanya gwa mukaga gasha kwa keta tuzarirwe
webare keta tuzarirwe tozo mu makuru ag'ibyimizano itendekere ry'abashomesa erya St. George's PTC niryo torinwe okutebekana sempaka z'amashomera ga senior bw'icyange cha Ankore ezurkwija ko baho mu kwezi okurukwija.
St. George's Primary Teachers College bande yerekero kwetegura kurungi okutebekana semizano y'amashomero ga senior yabwe cyanga cha Ankore kubaho kwezi okurukwija. Okwetebekana soko bakwerekere bwa nyuma y'akacika karukuremizane gihabwe cyange cyo bwe kebembirwe chairman Gideon Mucyunguzi kurambura umwanya wo kandi bakashanga buru bikwetagisa nko buraro ebizanura hamwe n'ibyo kwerinda byonabiro
kandi kuranye no kushemerwa kurango muri page ya Uganda Secondary Schools Sports Association yankore yakatora kolejeji kostinge muzaneji mu rwa kabiri kandi noranditse genda kunji na legend of ya ministry iyo bwegese n'by'imizano.
Reverend Father Dr. Jameson wagabo kuri itendekerere nagira ngo kwetagisabyo n'ababyine ngo abo babeja bitendekerere n'abashomumbwire bw'ecumuro egiriyo mucyunguzo chairman wakachiko akanagira ngo batori nibanda kutebekana semizane jo mundo gwa kashatu ngo abo ko bana babasa
ngo umwaka buriyo gwahwire stili bagatrusting umwaka gwo kwibirabane bakabase kuba batayise makezi kandi batakira cyetagira paka n'umunonga kandi hatugagatire bicereza bagatugiraho pakezi so nyara kwasimba munonga
empakezi mu mpira gw'ebyira habwa boje nabishiki kandi bone Council Girls Singiro ni n'ikikopo cyabishiki kandi St Kagabo Shenyi High School ni n'ikikopo cyaboje aba TV West and Aloysius Byamukama
webare Aloysius Byamukama impaka z'umuzano gwa golfu ahabwa abazana bakuzire abashija hamwe na nabakazi abwe cange cyabugwizoba erizoba zasibana zihindura haca iboma aho muri mbara kandi abazano ku rugomori Toro Kabare Kampala Kasese nangwa na naho muri mbara nubo bazetabamo
empakeze ziri kumanywa nkasini ya golf challenge habwe cyanga cyabugwizoba zahindura cyayi cya golf mu rubomo mu mbarara kandi zayitabwamo abantu abakurenga 20 bashije hamwe n'abakazi empakeze ziri kushajikwa ba Old Micho kandi zikatebekanza babambara golf club erizoba zigurwaho Captain JB Tumusime uwabariyo muzano mukuru
icyo kubanza cyabyona nimbakira muri mbarara kandi ni Nsima Association nari kibina cy'abakuzire umuzano wa golf icyo kubasimira amagara ko kwijana urenge imyaka 50 ijana gakendera so nono yitaga ukora exercise
ejine abaseniors abarengize imyaka 5 konka baro musam group so kurugero mu ages zabo so hadi nyoni nzando mu group ya silver erukutandakana n'imyaka 65 okika ahari nshanga
abazana barukuzeta bamwe abashija n'abakazi n'abarengize imyaka 5 kandi abahona nabwo no bahayando mbicuye kabishate cya bronze silver gold hamwe na platinum ngoko imyaka yabiri
nyonka umuzani twirinde member wa golf club kumara imyaka 25 n'umushobo umuzano gwanje gwerizoba gwa gutare mu runji munonga konkana abo kujya mu bentine bwire abo biturigire muri byakaruru mbenda kubaza kuzana burizoba tugurukubi
so involvement kugira ngo nubayo bari mbazana golf yabo ito sente kuri Antoine Tudion tuzikozesa so ntureta financial awareness to them kugira ngo base kweyaho sente ziri mu banka eziriya omuka stine kizukora abatebekanisa bagira ngo empakezi nje kugumana zibaho buri mwaka okwenda kuhera abantu abakuzoro kuma kurunja amagara gabo habwa TV West and Aloysius Byamukama
webare Aloysius Byamukama amakuru agacencuire aho noho nagahendera kandi uwabanaga kuseho ndi Elias Ritugusanyowe ninkwendeze kurara kurunje